Are you stuck in the 9 to 5 grind, exhausted from long hours, and wondering if there's a way out? I've been there, and I know exactly how that feels. If you're looking for a way to escape the corporate burnout without quitting your job right away, this might be what you need. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm an ex-corporate professional turned online entrepreneur. I worked as a banker for 15 years, and in that time, I was laid off not once, but twice. The second time it happened, in December 2022, I made a decision. I would never go back to the corporate world again. It wasn't easy, but I took a leap of faith into digital and affiliate marketing. That decision gave me location and time freedom, and I wouldn't trade that for anything else. Today, I'm here to share how I found a business model that's helping me build my own online income without ads and without needing to be an expert. It's called Pop, and here's why it's worth your attention. My journey before Pop. Back when I was in corporate, my life revolved around work. I barely had time for myself, let alone my loved ones. The idea of financial freedom felt like a distant dream until I started exploring online business models. But let me be honest, not all of them worked. Some were too complicated, some required too much upfront cost, and others just didn't make sense for someone like me. It wasn't until I discovered high-ticket affiliate marketing, and later, Pop, that things started to change. If you're watching this, you might relate to one or all of these. Exhaustion from long corporate hours, with little time for what truly matters. Lack of location, time, and financial freedom. Feeling stuck with no way out. Fear of leaving the corporate world with no stable backup plan. This is why finding a system that actually works without requiring years of experience or tons of ad spend is crucial. Discovering Pop. I started mentorship with Pop in October of 2024 because I saw how it was helping people build an online income stream while still keeping their day jobs. I made my first organic high-ticket sale on January 7, 2025, a 3-month subscription to a Freedom Combo digital product. That sale proved to me that this business model works. Now, I'm focusing on scaling while maintaining the freedom that corporate life never gave me. Key features of Pop. So what exactly is Pop? It's a dual income digital business model that teaches you how to build a system that generates both high-ticket commissions, $1,000 per sale, and passive recurring income, monthly recurring revenue, or MRR. Here's what makes it different. Step-by-step guide to building a 5-figure per month business in 12 weeks. Training on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube marketing. Direct messaging strategies to convert leads into sales. 1-year mentorship with 7-figure marketers. Limited time bonus. 4 live coaching calls per week. In-depth tutorials on funnel freedom, a powerful automation tool. AI-generated content, CapCut editing, and email marketing training. Special masterclasses on storytelling, Amazon influencer marketing, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, and more. It's designed so that even if you're brand new to digital marketing, you can still make it work. Review of Pop's potential. The Pop framework isn't just about making money. It's about creating real freedom. With a proven system, expert coaching, and automation tools, you'll have everything you need to start and scale an online business that doesn't tie you down. If you're tired of feeling stuck and want to start building an online income without quitting your job yet, this could be the opportunity you've been looking for. Click the link in the description below, and I'll send you a free training that walks you through our 3-step hack, showing you how to earn $1,000 commissions and passive recurring income from multiple streams, all on autopilot. Also, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next videos. We'll be sharing more insights, strategies, and behind-the-scenes content to help you on your journey to freedom. See you in the next one!